Hi, students. So one of the complaints from students has been that you are getting a lot of notifications from your Google Classroom. One of the things that you can do is that once you're in your email, and this is your school email, you can go to your Google Classroom from your email. So once you're in your Google Classroom and you can see all of your classes. Obviously, I only have one class here for this student. Once you're in here, you can click on the little hamburger icon at the top left. It's the main menu. And you can go to settings. So in here, you can change the notifications. Um, I don't suggest you turn off. So right here, you can turn off email notifications completely. So you won't receive any notifications at all regarding your Google Classroom. What I would suggest instead of turning everything off is you go through this. Obviously, this is the comments section. You can turn those off if you like, but this is where your classes that you're enrolled in, this is the notifications for those classes. You can turn off individual classes. So for instance, class notifications right here, if you click on this little down arrow, um, like I said, I only have one class here, but you'll see all of your classes, and you can turn off notifications for individual classes there. But you can also, and this is what I would suggest, is whichever notifications you're getting a lot of that you really don't want to get notifications on, you can turn off here individually. For instance, whenever um, there's a due date reminder for your class work, if you want to turn that off, if you're getting a lot of those, or if you're getting um, notifications whenever your teacher posts work or homework. You can turn that off as well. So you can go through these and look at them and which one's the one that you prefer to keep on or off and turn it off and on. But again, you can turn off completely all notifications for all of your classes and you won't receive anything in your emails anymore. But again, if this is the way that you keep track of your work or notifications from your classes, I don't suggest turning everything off if you go to your email to check those. But you can go ahead and turn off individual notifications here as you prefer. So hopefully that helps you. Again, you need to be in your Google Classes here and go to the top left on the hamburger icon and go to settings to turn off the notifications for your emails.